judge had enough when a vindictive mom defied every custody order and tried pinning it all on the dad's family. But he wasn't buying a word of it.
The judgment indicated that parenting time would take place, in essence, on a week-on, week-off basis. Additionally, Mr. Maddox was entitled to 2 firearms, and Miss Maddox was going to retain the Ford Explorer and hold for payments on that vehicle. Unfortunately, at this point, my client has tried to facilitate pickup and drop-offs and has been refused. One of the minor children, the son, actually walked to my client's home. Additionally, the defendant has failed to pay anything for the Ford Explorer, and we checked on this today, and no payment has been made to date.
Ms. Maddox, what's your response?
They had come to me on Sunday, banging on the door, saying, do you want till Wednesday or not? So I answered it. They said that they would give me until Wednesday. They said, are you going to have everything out? I said, probably not.
Okay, ma'am, hold on. This is a different issue. We're looking at why.
No,
ma'am,
yes, I understand
ma'am,
that. They barred me from the house.
Stop, ma'am. The issues before the court are, why is he not getting his parenting time? Why has he not gotten the other gun? And why have you not paid for the vehicle?
Okay, I'm telling you, they barred me from the house, didn't let me get mine and my kids' stuff like the order said. I had no access to the guns or anything. They were inside the house. He still has not given me and my children all of our belongings from the house. They threw them away. They got a dumpster. So I've had to use my money to pay for storage units and moving costs and everything else because of what they had done. Yes, I had not paid on the truck yet. No, I have not, because I had to use my money to do that.
Okay, anything else?
My daughter does not wish to go over there. They don't like their grandparents. They think they're very, very weird. They don't want to be in that house. They don't want to be over there. I'm not going to physically pick them up and put my hands on them to make them go be with somebody who didn't care enough and threw all their stuff in the rain and garbage. I'm not doing that.
Well, it does appear that in this matter, based upon the defendant's response, that she has not provided for the parenting time, so the court will hold her in contempt for failure to comply with the parenting time. The court would order that she turn over the Colt pistol if she has that. Court would award attorney fees in this matter. Mr. Todd, what are your fees for this matter?
$920, Your Honor.
Court would award a sum of $920, which will be paid within 60 days of today's date. And the court would order that she would pay bring the Ford Explorer current within 30 days of today's date. Failing to bring that current, then the court would order that it be sold.
Okay, well, what am I supposed to do about my daughter, Your Honor? Because she physically will not go with her dad while he's at his parents' house because they ruined all of her stuff.
Well, I can't address that. I'm just enforcing the order as it stands at this point.